The Muslim Officers Society was officially recognized by the department in 2008. Since then, we have grown not only in numbers, but also in rank, reputation, and reach. This progress is the result of the tireless work of our board members, both past and present, who have dedicated themselves to recruiting, mentoring, and advocating for our members. But the root of our organization go even deeper. In 2001, during a time of fear and uncertainty for the Muslim American community, 5 courageous officers recognized the need to create a support system for Muslim officers and to foster understanding between law enforcement and the community we serve.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.